Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Harley Davidson. This is a Road Glide Special. Beautiful bike with a few accessories on it. It's 107 cubic inch. You've got the quick release rear hard bags. So there they are, the quick releases. And it's got quick release rear seat passenger backrest, as well as the rear seat bag holder. What do they call it? Luggage rack. There you go. I just noticed that hair on it, so let me just take that off. And the books are with it right there. The secondary shifter is there, so the back foot shifter is there with it. Nice looking seat in great shape. Super looking bike, 107 cubic inches, as I said. 6-speed manual transmission, of course. This one's air cooled. It's got the crash bar. It's got the highway pegs. Nice looking wheels on it. The windshield is an aftermarket windshield. There is another windshield that comes with it, as well as there are neighbor hater pipes on it. You'll hear that when I fire it up. You'll see why they're called neighbor haters. And it has the original pipes with it and the original windshield. This is a one-owner bike bought new by a mature gentleman who traded it in here, 2 wheels for 4 wheels. So it's got navigation. You've got the cruise control over here. You've got your information center here. This one's got a quick grip on it on the throttle there to make it easy to hold it in position. So let me fire this one up for you. Neutral, yep. Line is in here, so you can plug in your phone, and glove holders there, and then over here is a power outlet inside this one. You've got your navigation system right here, so let me show you the nav. Nice bike. Just 28,258 kilometers while we're waiting for the nav to load. It's got a quick release gas door on it. That makes it easier to put gas in it. That's pretty awesome. And navigation is loaded, so there's our map. There you go. There's your full navigation. All your information center is all in there. Nice looking speakers. Daymaker headlights, so that's pretty bright. You'll be able to see everything anywhere you want to go. In great condition, never dropped. It's got plugging in here for a charger. And as I said to you again, the books are with it, and the rear shifter is with it as well. Pipes sound great. Nice looking options. Nicely set up right. Nice. So there you have it, folks. That's a 2017 Harley Davidson Road Glide Special. So the fairing, of course, is stationary and the handlebars turn. It's got neighbor hater pipes. It's got the windshield. The extra parts are with it. The backrest and the luggage rack all included, just $28K. Here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.